JT Kent. I'm one of the developers here at Cubicle Fugitive. This video we're going to be talking about the Content Editor in Sitefinity CMS, specifically the Hyperlink Manager and the different types of hyperlinks that can be inserted into a text area. So let's get started. So first we drag on our content block and start entering some content. So the Hyperlink Manager, let's visit an external website. So we'll go to cubiclefugitive.com. To text to display, type visit cubiclefugitive.com. If we expand the More Options tab, this will allow us to open like a new window. This is useful if you're going to an external site and you don't want people to leave your site specifically. Next hyperlink is visit an internal page on a website. Again, click on the Hyperlink Manager. Click the second radio button, page from within the site. You can select any page on the site, but we're going to go back to the home page, and the text is visit the home page. The final type of hyperlink is an email link. So let's say we're going to email myself. We highlight the text that we want to display the hyperlink over the Hyperlink Manager. Choose the third option, which being email, and we just type in the email address. So my email, jt.kent@fugitive.com, and insert the hyperlink. So I'm going to take a look at the HTML tab. You'll see here there's three distinct types of links. One is directly to fugitive.com, one is an internal page, and you'll see a unique GUID, and that's used by the CMS to identify the internal pages, and the other one is the mail to link, signifying a email link. So let's publish and preview this page. As we would expect, the first link goes to fugitive.com, the second returns us to the home page, and the last link should launch your default email client, in my case, Outlook. So that's using the Content Editor to insert hyperlinks.